Last month, a one-person business handed 7 of its most time-draining jobs to free AI, the writing, the customer replies, the admin, and got back most of a workday every single week. No new hires, no tech skills, no cost. If you run a small business and you're still doing all of that by hand, you're paying with hours you'll never get back, and that stops today. I'm going to give you 7 specific, practical things AI can do for your business right now. The boring, time-eating tasks that keep you from actually running your business. And I'll be honest about where you still need a human in the loop because that part matters. These aren't futuristic. They're things your competitors may already be quietly using. Let's catch you up. Here's the reality of running a small business. You didn't start it to spend your nights writing social posts, answering the same customer questions, and drowning in admin. But that's where the hours go, the busy work, not the actual craft you love. And as a small operation, you can't afford to hire someone for all of it. So you do it yourself, late, tired, and it never ends. That's exactly the gap AI fills. It's like having an assistant who works instantly, for free or nearly free, and never gets tired of repetitive tasks. The businesses that figure this out get hours back every week to focus on customers and growth, while the ones that don't keep drowning in the same busy work. Let me show you the 7 highest impact places to start. Quick honesty. AI isn't a replacement for your judgment or your relationships with customers, and the tools change fast, so I'll keep this about what they do and flag where you must stay in control. None of this needs technical skill. If you can type a message, you can do all 7. Here they are. 1. Writing your marketing content. Social posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, describe your business and what you want, and AI drafts it in seconds. You edit to sound like you, but the blank page is gone. 2. Answering common customer questions. AI can draft replies to the questions you get over and over: hours, shipping, returns, so you respond faster. Keep a human eye on anything sensitive, but the routine stuff gets handled. 3. Ideas and brainstorming. Stuck on a promotion, a product name, a campaign? AI is an endless brainstorm partner. Ask for 20 ideas and pick the good ones. All 3. The boring first draft work gone, so you start from edit, not from blank. 4. Admin and organizing. Summarizing long emails, drafting routine documents, turning messy notes into clean to-do lists. The paperwork side of the business that eats your evenings. 5. Making sense of your numbers. Paste in your sales data or a messy spreadsheet and ask plain questions. What's my best seller? What's slow? What changed this month? You get insights you'd never sit down to calculate yourself. One caution: always sanity check the numbers it gives you. It's a fast assistant, not a flawless accountant. Both of these take the tedious back office work off your plate, so you spend less time buried in admin and more time on the business itself. 6. Simple visuals and design. Basic graphics for social media, simple promo images, quick mock-ups. AI image tools can produce good enough visuals without a designer for everyday needs. For your core brand identity, still use a real designer, but for the daily volume, this is plenty. 7. Learning and problem solving. This one's underrated. AI is a patient expert. You can ask anything. How do I handle this tax question? What's a good policy for this? How do other businesses solve that? It's like having a knowledgeable advisor on call for free, though for anything legal or financial with real stakes, confirm with a professional. 7 tasks, all doable today, all free or cheap, and everyone buys back time you can put into actually growing. So how do you start without drowning in 7 new things at once? Don't. Pick the one task on this list that eats the most of your time or that you dread the most. Just one. Start using AI for only that this week. Get comfortable, see the time it saves, then add a second. One task at a time, biggest pain first. By the time you've folded in 3, you've usually freed up real hours and you actually understand the tools instead of being overwhelmed by them. And keep the golden rule throughout. AI handles the volume and the drafts. You keep the judgment, the relationships, and the final say. Let it write the first version of the post. You make it sound like your business. Let it draft the reply. You handle the upset customer personally. Used that way, it's like adding a tireless employee for almost nothing while you stay firmly the boss. The point isn't to remove yourself. It's to free yourself from the busy work so you can do the parts only you can do. So that's 7 things AI can do for your small business today. Content, customer replies, ideas, admin, data, visuals, and advice. Most free, all doable without tech skills, each one buying back hours. Let it handle the volume, you keep the judgment. To make that first task dead simple, I put together a free SMB AI Starter Kit. The exact 7 tasks, the plain English prompt to start each one, and the one caution for each. It's the fastest way to go from watching this to actually saving hours. The link is in the description. Then this week, do one thing. Pick the single most time-draining task on that list and try doing it with AI just once. One task, one try. The time it saves on that alone will show you exactly why this is worth it. See you in the next one.